Hello! Quick tour of our room since paalis na kami. Paalis na saka quick tour. So this is speaker, Bluetooth speaker. 2 beds for my alaga. One there for me and one here also for my colleague. Ito yung bathroom. May dito, bathtub. Ito yung mga things na dadalhin na namin for tomorrow. And ito yung sink. Okay. We have 2 sinks. And as well, my outdoor and shower. Okay. So, yeah, ito yung mga things namin. My wardrobes.